Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my another video. So in this video, we will gonna see how we can create a sticker with the help of Canva, and I will also gonna teach you or maybe describe you how you can send the sticker on WhatsApp too. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to come to, of course, canva.com. Here you have to type logo, just enter. You have to select this blank logo. So hmm, this uh, this creates a new blank sheet. So here is the blank sheet. What you have to do is now you just have to go to the apps. Let me slow down my speed. So you have to go to apps, and in this you have to search for AI sticker maker. Okay, here it is. You can find multiple apps in this, but this one we will gonna use as of now, but you can also use this and this having 5 credits maybe if you are using a Canva free, and this in which in today's video we are using it, this just have 1 credit. So I have to do this video on one shot itself. So let's choose this one as of now. Yes, this. So first of all, you have to give the text prompt. So you, you like as you see here, you just have a 1 credit. Like what? I don't have any words for this. Anyways, you have to just have to write a text prompt. So let's make a sticker for pizza slice. Okay, everyone's favorite, maybe not. So you can all the precise prompt you write, the better result you will get. So uh, I write this as I have a very limited time. You can also write a different prompt with the help of GPT, Gemini, whatever you want. Here it is. You can choose a file. So I have downloaded one pizza picture. Yes, here it is. So let's see how it. So it will take the inspiration from this and it will create something for us. So let's create on generate. Boom, boom. It will take some time, like 5 to 10 seconds. It will give you a result. Yes. Yeah. They can enter as you will not feel bored with me. We couldn't generate your sticker. Wait a few minutes and then try again later. Why you don't generate my sticker? Let's try again later. Let's generate. Let's try another time. I hope this time it will generate my sticker. I'm really apology for the same. Like I have tried this before a video and it will generate fine. Now, okay. Let's remove this image and just write pizza slice and generate. Actually, you can upload an image. Like if you are making a sticker for yourself, like with your face, you can take, you can upload that image for their reference. But as of now, because pizza size is there, maybe it's not required. Yes, it is the thing. It is not required for this. So yes, here it is my sticker. Let's add to design. So yes, this is my pizza slice sticker with me. So here is my sticker. Let's share. Let's first of all you have to rename your file. Okay, pizza sticker. Okay, then you have to share, download, download as a PNG, download. Okay, yes, it is downloaded. Now you have to go to the WhatsApp, select a specific chat in which want to send this. Then you have to now you have to go to this attach new sticker. You have to select this pizza sticker, open this file, and what you have to do is you have to cut out. You have to cut out with this Caesar icon. So you have to cut out like this by yourself. Okay. Sorry. I think I have to reset. Let's cut out again. No, let's reset it. Three. Okay, you have to select like this. Like dot dot, you have to create dot, this dot, then again dot, then dot, 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 and yes, here it is. This is the sticker you want. Just send it. And yes, this is the sticker, uh, your customized sticker for you. So this is this is for, as of now, this is what I want to uh, teach you, or so again, this is the sticker of your likes. You can choose anything. Like you can also upload your photo, and you can give a prompt that I am with cap or I am with glasses, and it also generate an image or sticker of your choice. So I hope you enjoy this video, you like this video. Once you will try, you will get to know more. If you see, you don't able to get anything. Okay, so my personal recommendation, try it by yourself. Don't just watch the video. Okay, try by yourself. You will make mistake, and that is fine. You make mistake, and you will, if you make mistake, then and then you will gonna learn. So I also make 2-3 mistake in this video itself after my practice. Okay, so it is not like that. You have to just practice, practice, practice. You will create a good learner. Okay, so as of now, this is much needed. uh, yeah, as of now, this is too much. Let's let's meet on again next week with different video, with different short reels maybe are coming up on next week. So stay tuned to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and yes, keep updated. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye.